Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update for UDA students from Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, which is ITBPF. Okay, now look at here. This is Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Now, what is this? Detailed advertisement for the recruitment to the post of Sub Inspector Telecommunication, Head Constable Telecommunication, and Constable Telecommunication 2024 in ITBPF. Okay, what is ITBPF? I already told you, Indo Tibetan Border Police Force. All right. So, online applications are invited from the eligible male and female Indian citizens, including Nepal and Bhutan, also on the basis of your education qualification, age, and prescribed below. They mention here. So, the post will be of Group B, non gazetted, non minister, which is sub inspector post, Group B. Okay, and head constable and constable. So, Group C, Group B, Group C, and Group C. Okay, now look at here. What is this? Online application mode will be opened. It's mentioned here 15 November. Today is the 19th, so it's already open. And the last date will be 14th December 2024. Till that you can apply for this one. Okay, applicants are advised to check their eligibility criteria before applying, so there will be no disappointment at the later stage. So look at here, first of all, details of vacancies. So first is sub inspector telecommunication male. Number of vacancies are 78. They mention category wise. Okay, 78. And then sub inspector female, number of vacancies are 14. So total vacancies are 92 here. Where is head constable telecommunication male female, number of vacancies 383, they mention here. And here constable, number of vacancies are 51. For sub inspector, any graduate degree or BTech is required. For remaining one, 10 plus 2 is required only. I will tell you the details also here. So look at here, the number of vacancies can be increased, decreased here. This is the official website, recruitment.itbpolice.nic.in. Here you can see more details. Now pay scale and other allowances. So for sub inspector telecommunication level 6, in the pay matrix 35,400 to 1,12,400 as per the seventh pay commission. Head constable here 25,000 to 81,100, constable 21 to 69,100, they mention here. Other than this, other allowances are mentioned, which is clearly available. The post will carry adherence allowances, DA, perk, HRA, transport, all that you will have here. Okay. On appointment, the candidate shall be entitled for the pension benefits as per the new restricted defined scheme also. Okay. Eligible conditions, first of all, the age limit. So minimum and maximum they mention here. For the sub inspector between 20 to 25 year, head constable 18 to 25, and constable 18 to 23 years is required. Second is education qualification. So for sub inspector, bachelor degree in science with physics, chemistry, and mathematics, or information technology, means BTech, or computer science, or electronics and communication, or electronics and instrumentation. So if you are having BTech in CS or EC or EE or IN, then you are eligible here. So, and other than this, they mention here bachelor's in computer science, computer applications. So that is nothing but BCA. And here BE in electronics and communication or instrumentation, that I already told you. Computer science or electrical information technology from recognized university are eligible. All right. So this is the first thing for the sub inspector. For constable and head constable, 10 plus 2 is required. This is mentioned. You can check it out with the PCM. Okay, which is chemistry, maths is required, essential, and this is also mentioned. Incentive bonus marks to desirable certificate holders. So this is, they mentioned, this is a long PDF of 28 pages. So means each and every detail is mentioned here. Cutoff date for the age relaxation. You can check this detail, bacho. Okay, and this is upper age limit relaxation is mentioned here. Explanation of ex-serviceman or ex-serviceman, also they mention some details. Okay, physical standards. After that one, education qualification, after that one, physical standard is there. So minimum physical standards for the candidates of all which required. What is, they mention here, this physical recruitment is there for applying. Height, weight, everything they mention here. That is the only thing required, bacho. Okay, so please check this one also. Basic medical standards is also there. You should have these things. Basic eyesight should be there. Okay. Tattoos, no tattoos per according to the government rule. Acha, now the important thing is how to apply and which date. So eligible and interested candidates need to apply online through ITBPF website. This is the website, recruitment.itbpolice.nic.in. Candidates are advised to fill the online application form after reading the instruction carefully and should provide genuine and functional email ID and mobile number at the time of the filling of online application form. Okay, and okay, then candidates are to fill all information whatever is mentioned. You need to fill this one, application fees and mode of payment. So application, sorry, candidates belonging to unreserved OBC and EWS category need to pay rupees 200, and for the head, for the post of the sub inspector, for the head constable 100 rupees, and for the head constable and constable 100 rupees. Candidates belonging to schedule means SC ST or ex-servicemen and females are exempted from the paying the fees. Okay, and candidates working in central states, they mention here more details. If you want to apply, then you should have an NOC also. Online application mode will be there from 15 to 14 December. Procedure for online submission is mentioned here on this only. Now the selection procedure. To admit cards to the candidates will be issued online, mentioning the date and venue of the recruitment test. They will have some recruitment test. Candidates okay, who are issued online admit card will remain provisional till they are finally selected and submitted. Okay, then candidates are required to bring a clear and legible printout of their online applications and document also admit card also. Okay, after that physical efficiency test and physical standard test will be also there. So they mention more details, but here about the candidates will have to undergo the following recruitment test. What is the recruitment test? First of all, physical efficiency test. Sub inspector, they mention here what is the requirement. Okay, racing they mention, I think some details required, so please check it out this, and then accordingly you can fill the form. Acha, wait a minute, they mention the marks also here. Phase 2 verification is there, they mention the marks also. Yes. Okay, so 100 question, because after that physical, after physical written test is also there. Yes. So this is the multiple choice question. So this, the second one is the written test. Written examination carrying 100 marks will consist of objective type multiple choice question. CBT will be there. Paper 100 questions, graduate level, objective type, maximum marks 100. General Hindi or English, general awareness or reasoning ability will be there for the sub inspector post. Okay, 30 question, 30 marks mentioned. For paper 200 question, graduate level, and here in this one, physics, chemistry, maths, electronics, communication, information technology, computer science, electrical and instrumentation control will be there. So number of questions and marks also they mention here. And for the head constable also they mention with the PCM, two papers are there. So according to this one you can fill the form. That's why I'm saying ki please read that complete detail, then only you can understand ki whether you want to apply here or not. For more details I will just attach this PDF in the comment box so that you can check if you want to apply here. Stay connected to I Must Get Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates, dear students. Thank you.